In this video, we're testing out the Krups Conical Burr grinder GX610050. It's a $100 grinder. You can find it at Amazon. We're giving the OE Pharaohs a rest, and the beans in this case are a blend of Guatemala. I think it's Finca, Transito, Bolivar, and an Ethiopian Tchembe. Okay, this is the beans I roasted. So let's go ahead and grind. We have our portafilter, and it's just quite a lot, maybe. Usually it helps if you do a little WDT here, but I can't do that, so we'll have to just do with this, okay? And now we're gonna pull our shot into the Cremina. The Krups had to be adjusted. I had to put the spacer in there to make the grind finer. The setting after the spacer was put in, setting was 3. Oops. And as you can see, it's a very capable grinder. That's our shot right there.